15 जुनाक मडगांव खारेबांद हांगा 2 जाग्यार गाडयांक उजो घालपाचो प्रकार घडिल्लो। 18 जुनाक म्हळ्यार अवघ्या 3 दिसांनी मडगांव पुलिशेक आरोप्याक धरप्याक यश आयले। आरोपी मूळ महाराष्ट्राचो। गोंयान ह्यान पयली 2010 वर्सा ताणी असलेच कांड केल्ले। तो सद्याक फुटपाथार दीस काडटालो अशें मडगांव पुलीस पीआय कपिल नायकान सांगला। आरटीएक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
To the crime registered in Margao in the intervening night of 15/6/2018 regarding the burning of bike at Kareban in 2 different places. We have managed to caught one person, namely Babli, son of Satan Fernandez, age about 68 years, who is a native of Andheri, Mumbai, but presently staying in Margao on the footpaths at different areas. So during the interrogation, the accused admitted of the crime and disclosed that his involvement is there in setting fire to the bikes parked at the Kareban in 2 different places. In this connection, we placed him under arrest in this crime. And while conducting the inquiry, it also came to the notice that the said accused is also involved in Margao town PS crime in 2010, wherein he had set a fire to one of the chicken shop near Sinilata. So at that time he was working in one of the hotel in Bonta. So after that incident he was removed from the hotel service and he had gone to Bombay. So last 2-3 years he again came back to Margao and was doing the labor work on daily wages near municipality. And on 15th he committed the crime of setting fire to the bike in the night at about 1:30 hours. So in this connection our further investigation in progress. So in the meantime we had sent him for the medical examination where it is reported that the said person is mentally weak and he is having the mental sickness and directed us to lodge him in IPHB Bamboli. Further we produced him before the JMFC Margao for the remand, and JMFC also directed us to take him to IPHB and lodge him in IPHB. So as per the orders of the JMFC Margao, we lodged him in IPHB, wherein it was declared that he is mentally fit, and further he was lodged him in judicial custody. So in this connection our further investigation is in progress.